enough, and I think you learn a lot more by doing it than by, me standing up here and showing you a load of slides. So I hope it's been a useful morning for you. The next steps in terms of what I'll be doing from here is that I'm just finishing off a literature review that's been looking at Bayesian belief networks used in environmental situations and looking at environmental issues, and also developing a sort of summary guidelines in terms of how you do this and how you could involve stakeholders. So those things will link to the things that I've been talking about over the last few days in terms of the guidelines that have been produced by Kane, the merit guidelines where I've used a lot of the examples, but also another one that was pointed out to me this week, which is another EU project called Openness that's using Bayesian belief networks, looking at ecosystem services. So I'll make sure that I kind of draw on all of those, but also refer you to those, because those are very detailed and really good guidelines, particularly the merit guidelines. I think they're really well written, so I don't want to reinvent the wheel, but what I want to do is summarize what we want to do in terms of this project, and then link out to the more detail in terms of those guidelines. Also, because I saw a few other people showing these this week, so what I'll also do is make sure that I produce a Gantt chart of the kind of timing of when this part of Work Package 7 is likely to happen, so that we can kind of make sure that it happens when it's supposed to happen, but also fits in with all the other activities that you have at the case study level. The